Hey YouTube, Gallagher123123 here with another video for you all. And in my last one, I showed you two MagSafe accessories. And towards the end of that video, I hinted that I may have something special to take a look at. Well, that time has come. And we are going to unbox and look at this together. So what's in here? Well, I'm going to slide this out, put it on the table, and move the box out of the way. And see if I can show you what's in here. I got the bit from the bag. I am very excited about this one. This will be another neat MagSafe accessory. So that's the first hint, is that it is MagSafe. Now I'm just getting it. Okay. Put that off to the side. So, take a tour of this box. You can see a nice Apple logo. And I guess that's a bit of a picture of it. Okay, so what is this, you're wondering? Well, on July 13th, Apple introduced something I was always hoping they would introduce with the MagSafe technology, because I definitely figured that it could work for this based on what I knew about it. Well, finally it happened, and they introduced the MagSafe battery pack. Now, this is very much like the smart battery cases that used to be available for the iPhones, I think starting back in 2015. So, but of course this is removable because it's magnetic. And this even costs the very same price, $99, as those cases used to cost. So it's pretty much a replacement for the older smart battery cases that Apple used to manufacture. And I was always hoping they would come out with this because this seemed like a perfect way to use MagSafe. So let's try and open this bad boy up, and we'll put it through a quick test. And this is one I'll probably have to come back at some point and do a review on once I've been using it for a while. But I'm very curious to see what this looks like. So give me 1 sec. I'm going to put the phone down so that I can more easily get into this. Okay, so it looks like now I peeled off some plastic. This slides up a bit. We did it. There it is. And it's resting right there on the top. So let's go ahead and pull that out. Wow, that's pretty small and compact. People were kind of complaining about how this was. So right there is the battery. It's attached to a little bit of paper. I'll remove that in a second and we can get ready to try this. And then looks like in the box is your manual, and that's it. I read the packaging was very minimal on this MagSafe battery, and sure enough, it really was. Okay, let me go ahead and we'll work on unwrapping this, taking this out of the papers. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna put this off to the side, the paper. Actually, I'll put it in the trash bin there. And let's take a look. Oh man. So it looks like it's very minimal, the design. That box out of the way a bit. On the front is just an Apple logo, and on the bottom, I'm not sure if I have it oriented the right way yet, we'll find out, is the lightning port for charging the battery. And on the back is the ring of magnets to put it on the iPhone 12. So I think we should try it out. Got my iPhone 12 right here. ready for us to go.
Flashlight off.
So,
Flashlight
let me just
off.
see.
99%, 11:30 a.m. 11:31 a.m. Sunday, July 25th.
Okay, so as you heard, my battery is pretty well charged. It's at 99. But let's go ahead, and I've turned the phone so we could see the back. And I'm going to go ahead and try and attach this. I'm just going to place it. Made a click, but I can't tell if it reacted.
11:31 a.m. Try again. Dystopia, beta, 8 new item. Safari, kept 99% battery power, not charging, status bar.
Okay, I'm not sure if I have this on right or not. Apparently if we go into Control Center, there might be something. Let's see.
Control Center, airplane mode, switch cellular, Wi-Fi, Charlie and Bluetooth, switch media controls, playback destination, button. Previous track, play, next, lock rotation, do not disturb brightness, volume, screen mirroring, accessories and scenes you add in the home app will, bedroom HomePod, magnifier, button, hearing device, timer, alarm, button, dark mode, switch calculator, screen, music, sleep mode, button.
Okay, there's not anything there.
Page 1 of 2,
but if we go back
top
to
search, text field.
Today's screen, I think.
News, widget, technology, button.
Okay, we have our widgets, and I believe this should be a battery widget.
This week, Sunday, July 20. No more than today. Quincy, 71, button. Top stories, but NBC Sports.
There's more news.
The best Apple News Spotlight.
No, where's the battery?
Activate default edit mode.
Oh, come
Safari,
on.
page 1 of 2.
So we're having a bit of technical issues here, but...
Recently played, classic, page 2 of 2, adjustable. Page 1 of 2.
Heck?
Page 2 of 2.
I'm gonna
just press record,
see if I can add the battery widget to my home screen.
Button.
Just bear with me.
Add widget, button. Dismiss pop-up. Photos, for you, fitness, activity, widget, student, parcel, disc, carrot, snug, clock, world, casserole, Wikipedia, liar, hot calendar, smart stack, button, audible, button, batteries, button.
And we're gonna add...
Batteries. Dismiss Collins Apple Watch, 77, Collins iPhone, view the status of your iPhone and connected Bluetooth accessories. Widget Collins Apple Watch, page 1 of 3, adjustable, widget preview, small, Collins Apple Watch, 77% charged.
Oh, that's actually cool.
Collins iPhone 12, 98% charged. Page 1 of 3, adjust page 2 of 3.
Okay, let's see the...
Widget preview, medium, Collins Apple Watch, Collins iPhone, page 2 of 3, adjustable, page
I'm
2 of
not
3, page 3 of
seeing-
3. Widget preview, large, Collins iPhone 12, 90, Collins Apple Watch, 77.
Oh, you know what the problem is? Guys, I am so sorry. I know exactly what the problem is.
Home, Safari.
I will be back once I fix it. We are running an older version of iOS here, and I forgot to update it. Oh, I'm so embarrassed. Okay. I'm glad I caught it, though. So I'm going to update iOS, and I'll come back once that is done. Alright, we are back. I cannot believe I made that mistake. Now, I could edit that out, but I've decided not to, because I feel it's good, you know, for people to get to see sometimes that everyone does make mistakes. So, now that we are running iOS 14.7, which was required for the battery pack, let's try this again. I'm going to grab the battery pack. Here it is. I really like the way this feels in the hand, by the way. I don't know if I pointed that out, but it's sleeker than I thought it would be. So it feels really nice. It's white. And let's go ahead and just... Okay, I still didn't get any kind of a...
90% charged. 90% charged. One notification. 90% charged. MagSafe battery packs. iPhone can charge to approximately 90% while using a MagSafe battery pack. Flash button. MagSafe battery packs. iPhone can charge to approximately 90%.
Okay, so it looks like it recognized that it was on.
Safari.
So let's go to my next page now, where while I was waiting for the update to download, I did put the battery widget on my home screen. So let's see.
Batteries, widget, Collins Apple Watch, 76, Collins iPhone 12, 90% charged.
So my...
MagSafe battery pack, 0% charged, low battery.
Oh, okay, so the MagSafe battery pack is actually dead.
Collins Apple Watch, 76, MagSafe battery pack, 0% charged, low battery.
It says it has a low battery.
Collins iPhone 12, MagSafe battery pack, 0% charged, low battery.
What that means we need to do is we have to charge this, of course. Now, there are two ways to charge this, and this, to me, is actually really neat. You can connect a lightning cable directly to the battery pack, and it will charge. And if you leave it connected, it'll charge your phone as well that way. Or you can plug the lightning cable into the phone, and that will also charge the battery pack with your phone. Now, I think it'll do the phone first and then the battery pack. But it's really cool that you have these options. And a lot of reviews complain about the cost of this. But the others don't work that way. You have to use a USB-C cord to charge them. So the fact that this just works like this and functions exactly like the smart battery case, I really like it for that. And, I hope that I will continue to like it. So, I guess for now, that's all I have on this, on the MagSafe battery pack. Actually, let's go ahead and I'll plug it in. So let me remove it from the phone.
The room temperature is 75 degrees Fahrenheit.
And I will go ahead and get a lightning cord, which I have right here. Now, I think it may work better if you have a USB-C to lightning charging setup, which is what I'm using now as my primary, but it should work. Other way too, it just might be a bit slower. Okay, I need to try and do this with... Doing things one-handed is very hard, people. Okay, whoops. Okay, I'm gonna click that in. And there should be a light that's gonna come on somewhere. And yep, there it is. Yep, it's about a red light. Now, just because I'm curious, if I put this on the phone...
90% charged. 90% charged. One notification.
Now it brings back up the notification.
T-Mobile. Status bar item. MagSafe battery packs. iPhone can charge to approximately 90% while using a MagSafe battery pack.
Now, let's see if the widget has updated.
Collins iPhone 12. MagSafe battery pack. 23% charged. Charging.
Whoa, that can't be.
MagSafe battery pack. 23% charged. Charging.
It says the MagSafe battery pack is now...
MagSafe battery pack. 23% charged. Charging.
23%. But we'll see. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to take it off the phone. And I'm just going to let
One notification.
Let the battery charge on its own. So I'm just going to leave it down right there, charging over Lightning.
MagSafe battery packs. iPhone can charge to approximately clear.
Okay, let's clear that notification. So,
Widget. Collins iPhone 12. Collins Apple Watch. Just press record.
That is very cool. Alright, so that is a quick look and unboxing of the new Apple MagSafe battery pack. So this will be joining my MagSafe charger and leather wallet. And if you haven't seen that review, go ahead and take a look at that. I really like those two accessories as well. Okay, well, if you have any questions on this, feel free to, as usual, put them down in the comments. And I'll try and come back, after me using this a little bit and give my thoughts. So, stay tuned, and I do have some other great content planned. Oh, is it still charging? I don't see the light. Maybe the light doesn't stay on all the time. Power cycle my strip here just to make sure. Yeah, I don't see the light. Oh, there it comes. Okay. Just want to make sure it's charging. Okay, well, I think it is. Alright, well, that is it for this video. Again, stay tuned. More content is on the way. Hope you've enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next video.
We hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe for more, and feel free to comment. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, at Gallagher123123. Thank you for watching, and we will see you soon.